My ladies over 30 thinking about trying weight loss injections. So far there's 3 that I know of. Got Ozempic, Benjaro, and Mgovyi. Even though they have 3 different brand names, they're all the same drug, which is semaglutide. It's an injection, which is supposed to make you feel full, so you eat less, so you lose weight. The big thing that I see a lot of people advertising is that, oh, you don't have to exercise or change the way that you eat. Well, there's a big problem with that because let's say you get on the program, you drop 40, 50 pounds. How are you going to keep the weight off? You can't stay on the drug forever. It is a drug, and drugs do have side effects. Now, I'm not bashing people taking it. I'm just saying, think about what's going to be the maintenance plan for you to maintain keeping that weight off if you didn't have to exercise or change the way that you eat or eat healthy to lose the weight, because it's not going to stay off if you do not change your habits. And that's one of my big issues with the program, is that for you to get healthier, which should be the focus, and keep the weight off, you need to adjust your habits and get more active and look at your healthy eating habits, eat healthier. Another issue I have is that there's a lot of people out here who are just selling it black market, like, hey, you got that Ozempic? It's like they're selling it just without you getting your blood work done, without you being on the program, without you being monitored by a doctor. And you should not take any drug without having your blood work done first, because it is a drug. I don't care if it's FDA approved. If you don't know what's going on in your body, you don't know how your body's going to react, and you can have some kind of adverse side effect, and we don't want that to happen. So if you're thinking about trying weight loss injections, think about what are you going to do after you come off the program.